What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Drew with tonight's review, and I'm going to do a step-by-step tutorial on how to get set up for M1 Finance, my favorite financial app on the web, my best investing app and banking app. And I don't use the banking side, but it is my best investing app for beginners on the web. And I'm going to go into my little browser and I'm going to take you to my home page. This has a great setup also on mobile. All right, it's great and it's super easy to use. However, I'm going to make it straightforward. If you want to, hit that like button and I can bring more videos like this, and it helps out the YouTube algorithm so more people get to see it. Also, I need subscribers. I have 49. I'm aiming for 100 by the end of October. So if you can help me get there, I'd appreciate it. Also, this is an affiliate link. However, it is my favorite investment app, I swear. And I only get like 20 bucks, you get 20 bucks, so it's a win-win for both of us. You don't get 20 bucks if you sign up without a link, okay? So don't forget to sign up with the link down below. Okay, so we're in the M1 financial page, all right? Here's the deal. You need $100 to get going. I put $100 into my portfolio for testing purposes and to show you how it works and everything. This is a portfolio investment app, meaning that you don't just buy single shares, you buy pieces of shares. You put percentages into this thing right here that we call a pie. So what you would do is you would set up and you would create an M1 financial account, and you would deposit your $100 or whatever amount you wanted to deposit into your app. And then you would come over here and see, I've already built one. I'm going off of the Meet Kevin's forum because I didn't want to spend time building my own pie. However, you can do your own. You can actually put the amount of each stock that you want, ETF, whatever, into your own pie and build your own. I took the Meet Kevin pie, so it was easy because I knew he was making money on his pie. Anyway, if I wanted to, I could recreate a pie by going here. And then I would say, add. So now I'm at all of the stocks that are in my pie. I have Apple. I have, let's see, percentage-wise, I have, 102.83%. No, that's just how much it's gone up. But these are the things that I have in my pie. So I have 33.8% in my as a ratio of Apple. Then 35.2. This whole thing right here, man, that's not right either. Well, anyway, these are the stocks. No, they're not. No, yeah, they are. These are the stocks that they have in these. So, okay, so I'm going to go to my pies. Here we go. My first pie. So I'm going to build a pie, basically. So I would take, this is the pie that I built. This is the first one. So I had Netflix. I put 25% of Netflix up. And then I did my Vanguard, 25% Vanguard. I did Amazon, 25%. So, but watch, I could add to a basket. Add my first pie, I could put, say, 2%. Add. And that would go into my new stock, okay? So you have all these stocks you can pick from. You can just do so much. It's a very, very straightforward, easy application. It's an easy financial program, and it's just very user friendly, very meant for beginners. And the thing I like about it the most, it's not geared towards day traders. The whole point of investing, I think, is long term. It's a long-term thing. You got to understand, if you hold on to, say, $1,000 for a year and you put it into a savings account at a very low interest rate, you're losing 3% every year. That's how much inflation eats up your money. So if you don't hedge against inflation by putting your money into some kind of investment that beats out 3% every year, you're losing 3% on your money every year. So you see what I mean? You're losing it. So like $100 will be worth nothing in say 30 years, right? Will be worth $1. You understand? So you have to hedge against inflation. This is my best bet for you guys right now. Get your money in there. If you get your money from your stimulus check, put it in there. If you want to just put your money in and you don't trust the stock market right now, I don't blame you. But get your money into an investment app. You don't need to invest it, but you need to be ready to, because the market moves like this. And you know how much money I've made, even with the turn in the market right now, over the lifespan of this pandemic? Lots of it. Okay? Lots of it based on investing. So get it together, people. And please think about subscribing your boy. And don't forget, dude, it's an affiliate link. Just hit it. You help me out if you're at all ready to go and check out the M1 Finance app. Do it. And hit the affiliate link. You get 20, I get 20. And that's not going to last forever. Got it? So please think, be smart, and do what you need to do to hedge against 3% inflation every year. I mean it, 3% inflation. Ask any financial analyst. That's what he'll say.